The Hilton's Rock Hotel Kingston intends to make its first ever Christmas unforgettable. It's rolled out an impressive list of holiday offers, and as of November 25, it may unveil not one, but 3 Christmas trees on the property.
Let me just say we're going to have a beautiful spectacle that's representative of the holidays and of rock in our lobby. Maybe not one, maybe not two, but 3 trees. And we're going to make it amazing. We know people like to come to hotels and just even for the photo op, Instagrammable moment. I believe our lobby is going to create that experience because everybody wants to be seen and we need to stand out from, everybody else in terms of what we're doing in terms of our holiday decoration.
Since opening its doors on July 3, ROK's sleek architectural design combined with artfully placed elements that make the venue truly Jamaican has made it a must-visit. Determined to ensure locals know they're always welcomed, it now has a special deal just for those born on the Rock.
Absolutely. As a new hotel, you always want to have deals because the aim of the game is to make sure as many people are able to patronize the property as much as possible, especially for locals. For Jamaicans, it's important that there's accessibility always. So for us, we have a local rate that we have going now, which is $170, including breakfast for two. Taxes are additional, and you can book that through the end of the year, with the exception of New Year's Eve, because that night we're expected to be, very busy, but the local rate is going to be available through the year. To kick off the season, November 27th, we're starting with our brunch, which is an unlimited tasting menu that we're going to offer from 12 to 4 in the Palette restaurant. So people should come and see what that's all about. It's going to be extra special. And from 12 to 2, we'll have live music in Palette. And then on the pool deck, the Rockstone pool deck, we're going to have some retro music just to end the mood for the afternoon chill out on the pool deck so you can continue your amazing lunch experience there. December 8th, we have an all-white party, full moon party that we're hosting on the pool deck. $4,500 for pre-sale tickets, $5,000 at the gate. And this gives you 2 rum drinks. There's food and drinks available for sale. But the best part of it is we have 5 amazing cabanas. And here's the thing, you can book a cabana for yourself up to 4 people for $25,000. And this is going to cover your entry to the event. It's going to cover a bottle of rum, a bottle of bubbly, and food platters for four people. So that's going to be an amazing holiday event that we're going to do. And December 31st, New Year's Eve, what's downtown Kingston with all the fireworks and the fanfare without an amazing party on our pool deck again, overlooking the harbor. And everybody knows that post-COVID, these fireworks are probably going to be, not probably, I'm going to say they're going to be super spectacular. The best place to come and watch that or enjoy that or ring in 2023 will be on our Rockstone pool deck.